Blackout Bingo rewards depend on how you perform in the game, which means weekly results can vary from player to player. By the end, you'll understand how Blackout Bingo earnings work, what affects your results, and how to track whether the app is worth your time. Blackout Bingo is a mobile bingo game where players compete through bingo-style gameplay. The amount you receive is connected to your activity, your performance, and the contests available inside the app. The first step is separating gameplay from actual earnings. A lot of players look at reward apps and focus only on possible payouts. But the better measure is what you personally receive after spending time playing. Track your sessions, record your results, and compare your effort with the rewards you collect. The second thing to understand is that skill and strategy can affect your experience. Blackout Bingo is not only about opening the app and tapping randomly. Players need to understand the game mechanics, make decisions quickly, and improve their approach over time. Better familiarity with the game can change how consistently someone performs. Your contest choices also matter. Different game options can create different experiences, so review the available contests before committing your time. Choose options that match your comfort level, and understand the requirements before participating. Another important step is checking the reward process. Before spending a lot of time playing, review how rewards work, what steps are required to receive them, and whether the process fits your expectations. This prevents surprises later. The best way to judge Blackout Bingo is by your own results. Play consistently, keep notes, and look at the complete picture instead of focusing on one good or bad session. If you enjoy bingo games and like competitive mobile gameplay, Blackout Bingo may be an interesting option. If your main goal is earning rewards, your personal results are the factor that matters most. The key points are simple. Blackout Bingo earnings are not the same for every player. Performance affects your results, and tracking your own experience gives you the clearest answer. Your next step is to test the app yourself, record your gameplay time and rewards, and decide whether the experience matches what you are looking for. If this guide helped you understand Blackout Bingo better, like the video and subscribe for more app reviews and practical earning guides.